If you want to invest automatically every time you get paid, Wealthsimple can do that for you. In this video, I will show you how to set up automatic stock or exchange-traded fund purchases directly from your paycheck. Step by step. Let's get started. First, open the Wealthsimple app. Once the app opens, you will land on the home screen. In the top right corner, tap your profile icon. Then, tap the gear icon in the top right corner to open your settings. Inside Settings, look for Automation and tap on it. Next, select Automate Your Pay. Wealthsimple will now walk you through the setup process. The first thing you will need to do is select the direct deposit you want to automate. Choose the paycheck or direct deposit that you want to use for your automatic investing. Once you have selected it, Wealthsimple will ask you to create an automation. You will see three options. You can buy stocks or exchange traded funds, buy cryptocurrency, or transfer money somewhere else. For this tutorial, select Buy Stocks or Exchange Traded Funds. On the next screen, you will need to choose which Wealthsimple account you want the investments to go into. Select the account you want to use. Then enter the amount you want to invest from each paycheck. For example, you could choose to invest $100 every time that paycheck is deposited. Next, choose the stock or exchange traded fund you want to buy. Search for the investment you want, select it, and then tap Next. Before the automation is created, Wealthsimple will show you a summary of the details. Take a moment to check everything carefully. Make sure you have selected the correct direct deposit, the correct investment account, the correct investment, and the correct amount. This is important because the automation will continue running based on the settings you choose. If everything looks correct, tap Confirm, and that's it. Your automatic investing setup has now been created. From this point forward, Wealthsimple can automatically use the selected paycheck to purchase the investment you chose, based on the automation you set up. One quick tip: make sure you have enough money available for any other payments or expenses that are coming out of your account. Automating your investments is convenient, but you still want to make sure your regular cash flow is covered. And remember, automatically buying an investment does not guarantee that it will make money. The value of stocks and exchange-traded funds can go up and down. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to subscribe to Guides and Beyond for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.